New Mexicans are not doing enough to protect themselves and others from the coronavirus. That, according to the governor, who says she is prepared to extend the public health order if needed. News 13's Rachel Knapp is live in the studio tonight to explain. Rachel?
Dean, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham is now doubling down on safety measures. Starting tomorrow, you'll see a lot more essential workers wearing masks.
We are not, by the data and by our personal experiences, and I'm sure your very own, seeing the kind of consistent work by New Mexicans to do everything that you can to protect the state and each other.
Starting tomorrow, all employees at restaurants and large essential businesses will be required to cover their faces as a safety measure. On Monday, employees working at smaller essential businesses will have to do the same. This comes after the state has seen a slight spike in coronavirus cases, and the governor says people need to do a better job with social distancing.
The standard really has to be this. You have to treat everything you do every day as if you have the virus. Not as if somebody else has it, although let's talk about that, right? That you have it. And so what you're doing is making sure that you're protecting your family, your neighbors, your friends, your contacts from acquiring that virus.
State officials say data shows part of the state are seeing an increase in the spread of coronavirus. At this rate, Dr. David Scrace predicts that the state could see about 4,000 deaths due to the coronavirus by the end of this year. The public health order is supposed to ease up on May 15th, but the governor says she will consider extending that health order unless data can prove to state officials that New Mexicans are doing a better job keeping their distance. Dean.